Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create viral product videos using the power of AI, specifically with Topview AI. You know, those super engaging product videos that are everywhere on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and especially TikTok, right? Well, they are not just popular for fun. They are also becoming a major tool for selling products, especially with the rise of TikTok's affiliate shop. But here's the twist. Did you know you can make product review videos like this without even having the product in front of you? Of course you can.
The best on the market. And that body wash is going to be native body wash. On this app that rates body washes, if they have good ingredients and are good
or matte white blender combos. One is their aesthetic and not an eyesore on your countertops. The matte black looks beautiful in any space. Two is that they suction, so there's no wobbling when trying to blend and make your smooth.
And here's the kicker, it comes with a 7-year warranty. Talk about a deal. This blender is a must-have in any kitchen. It's versatility on steroids. I've been blending like a champ and my smoothies have never been this good. Seriously, if you cook or blend at home, you need this Vitamix in your life.
And with Topview AI, you can create stunning, high-converting product videos without needing a camera, a model, or even the product itself. In fact, some of the videos you have probably seen online were made using AI. And guess what? One of the videos you just watched was created with Topview. So here's a fun challenge for you. Leave a comment and guess which video you think was created using AI. Now, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these eye-catching, professional-looking videos using AI. And trust me, this is a game changer for anyone looking to increase sales and attract more customers. And good for you if you are promoting affiliate products, ClickBank offers, Amazon items, e-commerce products, or even your own dropshipping business from platforms like AliExpress or Alibaba. This method will save you time and effort. This is more of going the faceless way to promote your offer using video content. No camera or anything like that, okay? And video content is proven to be one of the most effective ways to promote any offer. So I'm going to walk you through the entire process, step by step, so it's super easy to follow along. All right, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is click the link in the description to head over to Topview's website. Once you're there, go ahead and sign in. Or if you don't have an account yet, just sign up using your email address. Super simple, okay? Once you're logged in, you'll see this interface. But before we jump into creating our video, let me quickly go over the different ways you can use Topview AI. First up, we've got advertising, specifically viral video ads. These aren't your typical boring AI-generated ads, okay? This AI has been trained on real insights from YouTube and TikTok ads libraries to create high-performing and attention-grabbing videos with just one click. Honestly, I'm really excited about this feature and we'll try it out in just a minute, okay? Another awesome use case is affiliate marketing and e-commerce. I have made tons of videos showing you how to promote affiliate offers with video content, and now with this AI, it's even easier. All you have to do is paste in the product URL right here and boom, you've got a video ready to go. It's that simple. There's even more you can do with this platform. You can literally turn materials like images into video. Crazy, right? To check out all the features, just click on the View All button and you'll see exactly how Topview can help boost your sales and visibility on social media. And here's the best part. You can try out everything for free. And of course, lifetime free access is available, so there's no risk in giving it a shot. Plus, I'll walk you through the pricing model later, so you'll have all the info you need, okay? So go ahead and give it a try, guys. All right, now it's time to create our video. And this is where the real magic happens. Welcome to the AI creation tools. I'm going to click on the avatar marketing video. And check this out. It's absolutely mind-blowing. These avatars look incredibly lifelike. You can easily use any of these avatars for your UGC videos, and what's even better is that Topview gives you a variety of avatars with different skin tones. This makes it easy to choose an avatar that really resonates with your audience. When it comes to marketing, how your audience connects with your brand is crucial, and it does make a difference. So you want to be mindful about picking an avatar that fits your target demographic, especially if your product is in a specific niche. The best part, these avatars come with multiple scenes, so you're never stuck with just one. Some even have up to 10 for 13 different scenes, which gives you tons of variety. It's awesome because it keeps your videos fresh and dynamic. For example, this avatar has different outfits and scenes, which gives you more flexibility to create engaging videos. Now, there's a lot you can do with this AI, but for now, I'm going to exit this page to start our video creation. Here's how it works. You can either upload a file manually or grab a product link from your website and paste it in. For today's example, I'll head over to Amazon.com and grab a product link. We'll go with the Vitamix blender. Let's pretend we're in the household niche, okay? To grab the link, just right-click on the product page and click Copy Link. Or alternatively, you can open the product page and copy the URL from the search bar. And just like that, we've got our link. Topview's URL to video feature supports over 10 different store links, so you can easily pull in products from various platforms. Okay, now I'll paste the link into Topview, hit Create Video, and let the AI work its magic. Alright, now hit the Analyze URL button. This will allow the AI to pull in all the product details for you, including the description and the different scenes you can choose from. Okay? Now, these are a bunch of videos about the Vitamix blender, and it says more material means better video. But here's the thing, you don't have to use all of it. It's really up to you. We just want to keep the video short, so go ahead and deselect any scenes or videos you don't need. Once you've picked what works for you, click Continue. We are making a video about a blender, and this is just the video brief for now. You can always change it if you want, okay? I'm going to click on the More button to customize the video a bit more. For the script, I'm fine with what the AI generates. And for the video length, I think a short video under a minute will be perfect. Now, if you're a brand, this feature is really useful for you. You can upload your brand's logo or even add an end screen, okay? For the video format, let's go with 9:16. It's perfect for TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram Reels, okay? As for the language, the AI supports a ton of options: Arabic, French, Dutch, Spanish, and almost every popular language you can think of. When it comes to the voice, you can either clone your own voice or choose from a range of AI voices. There are many accents to choose from: American accent, Brazilian, Moroccan, and even a Colombian accent.
Welcome to Topview AI, the ultimate AI-powered video editing platform that revolutionizes the way you create compelling videos. Whether you're a marketer, content creator, or
The Colombian accent sounds supernatural.
Welcome to Topview AI, the ultimate AI-powered video editor.
Welcome to Topview.ai, the ultimate AI-powered video editing platform that revolutionizes the way you create compelling videos. Whether you're a marketer, content creator, or business owner,
Good voices. Next, let's pick our avatar. You want to choose one that matches the voice so it all flows smoothly. These avatars are super lifelike, and honestly, no one will know the difference. This avatar is giving mom-like vibe, which is perfect for our video. But I'm going with one named Amara. So I'll select Amara, pick the home scene, and click on the Confirm button. After that, you can either pick her voice yourself
Welcome to Topview.ai, the ultimate AI.
or let the AI do it automatically. Once you confirm it and you're all set, just click Generate to move on. When you see this interface, you will be presented a variety of video styles to choose from, okay? For example, check out this one.
Y'all, let me tell you about the blender that will change your life. This bad boy has variable speed control. You can totally customize your blends. Got a party? No problem. This 64-ounce beast blends large batches like a pro. It's designed with a cooling fan and thermal protection.
Pretty good, right?
Total safety vibes. Want hot soup?
Just keep in mind that the lip sync might not be perfect at this stage, but once the final video is ready, everything will line up perfectly. So the script for this video follows a marketing style called exaggerated praise, but the best part? You can totally edit any part of the script if you want. Once you're happy with the video, just click the export button and you're done. Now, there are even more videos to download, and this one was written using a pain point opening style.
Struggling with chunky smoothies or lumpy soups? You can control the texture like a pro, blend big batches with the 64 Oz container, ready for hot soup in just 6 minutes.
These blades can handle any hose you throw at them. Clean up
You can choose between the pain point, video style, exaggerated praise, or even rhetorical question. It's all up to you, okay? Let me know in the comments how you plan to use Topview AI for your business. I mean, this AI really saves you time when it comes to creating high-quality content. Just check out the link in the description below to give Topview a try. Alright, next, let's move on to editing the video. Click Edit to make any last-minute tweaks. For example, you can change the script for any scene if you need to. You can even swap out shots. Basically, you have complete control over the video, including the clips. If for some reason you want to change the avatar, just click here to switch to another one. Then click on Select Avatar to choose a different style of the avatar, or just click on Back to Avatar List to choose a new avatar, okay? And don't forget about the captions. You'll have plenty of options to choose from. Once you've made all your adjustments, click Apply to All, then Confirm. Your changes will update in the video instantly. Once you're happy with everything, just hit the Export button. Oh, and remember, you get 10 free credits when you sign up. Each video you export will use 5 credits, so keep that in mind when you're ready to export. Once the video starts downloading, you can preview it and make sure everything looks great. Here's an example of what the final product
Who loves blending with total control? This is for you. Got a big crew? The 64-ounce containers got your back. Worried about overheating? The cooling fan has you covered. Soup's on. Blend cold to hot in just 6 minutes. These blades are tougher than your ex, ready for anything. Cleaning? Just soap and water, and boom, done. Unbox the magic. Motor base, container, and a guide. 7 years of peace of mind? Yes, please. Runs on standard power, ready to rock your kitchen. Versatile enough for smoothies, soups, and sauces. Ready to level up your kitchen game. Get your Vitamix now.